Today, I am reviewing the MSI PRO MP275Q 27-inch WQHD monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing to mention about this display is that it is a 27-inch panel with a 1440p or WQHD resolution. For a desk-based workspace, this is honestly the sweet spot. You get significantly more room for your windows, your spreadsheets, and your browser tabs compared to a standard 1080p monitor. The pixel density is high enough that text looks sharp and clear, which is crucial if you're spending your day reading emails or writing documents. It does not have that slightly soft or pixelated look you get when you stretch 1080p over 27 inches. One feature that MSI is really highlighting here is the 100 Hz refresh rate. In the world of office monitors, this is still a bit of an upgrade over the traditional 60 Hz that most of us are used to. When you first move your mouse cursor across the screen, it feels noticeably more fluid. Scrolling through long web pages or jumping between different applications feels snappier and less jarring. It is not going to turn this into a high-end competitive gaming monitor, but for general desktop navigation, it is a quality-of-life improvement that you will likely appreciate once you have experienced it. Building on that productivity focus, MSI has put a lot of weight behind their so-called Ergo technology. This is essentially a marketing term for a suite of features designed to reduce fatigue. It includes things like TU V Rheinland-certified anti-flicker technology and a filter for blue light. They have also included some software called IQ Check, which helps you monitor for eye strain by showing you a test grid to check for distortion. While I think most of us will probably ignore the test grid after the first week, the anti-flicker and the anti-glare coating on the panel are genuinely useful. If your office has overhead lights that reflect off your screen, that matte finish is going to save you a lot of headache. The design of the monitor is clearly professional and intended to blend into a workspace. It is fairly minimalist with thin bezels, which is great if you want to set up two of these side by side for a dual monitor rig. That being said, the stand is a point of contention. It is tilt adjustable, but that is it. There is no height adjustment, no swiveling, and no pivot. This is a common cost-saving measure on monitors in this tier, but it means you are stuck with whatever height the stand provides. If the monitor sits too low for your eye level, you're going to be looking down at it, which isn't great for your neck over time. The good news is that it is Visa mount compatible. If you find the stand lacking, you can easily pull it off and attach it to a monitor arm, which is what I personally recommend for anyone who wants to take their desk ergonomics seriously. When it comes to image quality, you're getting an IPS panel with a 1300:1 contrast ratio. IPS technology is known for having great viewing angles, meaning the colors won't shift or look weird if you're looking at the screen from the side. The colors are decent out of the box, with solid coverage for sRGB, which is perfect for web content and office tasks. It is not designed for professional photo editing where you need perfect color fidelity, but for everything else, it looks vibrant and natural. The brightness is also respectable for an office environment, keeping things clear even if you are working near a window during the day. Connectivity is basic, but functional. You have your HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, which will cover just about any computer you are likely to be using. It also features a built-in headphone jack and some modest 2-watt speakers. I should be direct about those speakers. They are fine for the occasional system alert or a quick video call, but they lack any real depth or bass. If you plan on watching media or listening to music, do yourself a favor and get a dedicated pair of speakers or headphones. They are a convenience feature, not a primary audio solution. The software side of things is handled by the MSI DisplayKit app. This allows you to adjust your brightness, contrast, and color profiles directly from your mouse and keyboard instead of fumbling with the physical buttons on the back of the monitor. You can also use it to set up window splits, which is a nice touch if you want to keep two applications perfectly aligned on the screen. It is lightweight software that actually adds value to the experience rather than just being bloatware. So, who is this monitor for? It is for the person who wants a solid, reliable, and sharp display for work. It is perfect for writers, analysts, students, or anyone who spends their day in applications that require a lot of screen space. It is a fantastic upgrade if you're coming from a smaller, lower resolution monitor. It is also a very reasonable choice for a dual monitor setup because of those thin bezels and the 1440p resolution. Who should avoid this? If you are a professional photographer or a video colorist, you will probably want to look for something with higher color accuracy and a wider gamut coverage. If you are a competitive gamer, you should look for a panel with a higher refresh rate and faster response times, as this monitor is tuned for office comfort rather than low latency gaming. Also, if you know you need a highly ergonomic setup where you need to raise, lower, or rotate your screen frequently, you should plan on budgeting for a monitor arm because the included stand is definitely the weak link here. Is it worth the money? At its price point, it provides exactly what it promises, a sharp, clear, and easy-to-use workspace monitor. It doesn't try to overcomplicate things with gamer aesthetics or unnecessary bells and whistles. It gives you a good resolution, a smooth 100 Hz refresh rate, and a panel that is easy on the eyes. As long as you understand that the stand is basic and the speakers are secondary, it is a very practical, workmanlike monitor that will likely make your daily desk life significantly more comfortable and productive. It is one of those pieces of hardware that just does its job, and for a lot of people that is exactly what they're looking for.